Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to change the default tab in the ESPN app on your phone. If you often find yourself opening ESPN and navigating to the section you want, this guide will make your experience much faster and easier. First, open the ESPN app on your phone. Next, look toward the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. Then, scroll down slightly until you see the option labeled Default Tab. Click on it to see the available options. You can choose between Home, Scores, Watch, or Verts, depending on which section you want to access first when opening the app. Once you have made your selection, click on Continue to confirm your choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips.